Throw that Glock up on me, we ain't worried, get your head split. Big bank out, I got money, watch a hand big. Diamond shining like a motherfucker on their head, so pulling up what for them, I ain't never worried about these bitches.
Yo, it's your boy back with another vlog. You already know the vibes. I'm about to slide out to a car meet. Your boy is now part of North Broward Subaru Club, so you know the vibes. But I hop in the shit box and slide out. Little cold start for y'all boys. So, whatchamacallit? Like I said, we about to head over to the Wawa, meet everybody at the Wawa, and then we about to slide out to the Soul Flow meet. Shoot. Your boy finally got the, oh shit, hold on. Your boy finally got the access port vent mount. Yes, sir. So, like I said, we about to slide out over there. Once we get that, I'll definitely update you guys. There's a lot of stuff that I gotta update you guys regarding like the car, the process, things like that. Your boy, I ain't gonna cap. Your boy been lazy. I haven't done none of that. But I'll catch y'all boys at Wawa. Alright, so we just made it over. Well, we didn't just made it. We've been here for a good little minute. Pulled up to the Wawa. A couple of the guys showed up already. We're just waiting on some more people and then we're gonna ride out. Alright, y'all boys. So we about to ride out right now. Everybody finally showed up, so we about to head out. Alright, so we done made it to the meet and everything like that. I'm gonna go walk around, get you guys some like footage of some of these cars. I'm gonna show you guys Steph's car first, and then I'm gonna show you guys Kamal's car second. Y'all, I'm pretty sure y'all seen them when we went to Fuel Fest, cause they was one of the cars in the show. I'm gonna show y'all boys.
Bro, listen, bro. I didn't like it, bro. This fucking body gear is the most frustrating shit. I sent it to a body shop to get it. He's like, everything paid for it, everything. You don't know how fast luck I have that the guy that was doing the
Subway. Oh wait, let me get the shit box.
This guy starts painting my shit.
Fire. No, that's crazy.
That one with that color.
This shit's clean. Let's see if it comes through. Oh, that shit's clean. Yo, he got a mesh grill. Yo, Steph funny as fuck. Alright, y'all boys. So, I don't know what we finna do now. We're probably finna end up clearing it, but you know the vibes. Shit was fire. Alright, y'all boys. So, we heading out. You already know the vibes. See y'all when I get to the crib. Alright, y'all boys, so we made it back to the crib. That's the end of another vlog. You already know the vibes. Make sure you guys smash that like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Saturday, I do got a video coming out for y'all boys, so we definitely hitting up WR Experts on Saturday, going up there. Finna figure out this booth suite. We kind of figured out the issue while I was at the meet. I'm gonna post a clip about that somewhere in this video. probably like after this, but like I said, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, smash that like button, and your boy's out.
I came out with them niggas on that dumb shit. Dirty Glock up on me, we ain't worried, get your head split.